Let's do a morning routine featuring Ruby Kiss's complete hydration set. So first things first, gotta take a shower. And in here, I'm gonna be using their body scrub, which gently exfoliates, energizes, and brightens dull skin, while antioxidant-rich oils protect the skin barrier. This stuff smells so good. This is like the best smelling thing out of the whole set. Now that the shower is done, it's time to moisturize. So I'm going to be going in with their lightweight daily body lotion, which deeply nourishes and hydrates the skin. It's infused with vitamin E, olive oil, and green tea extract, and you can tell, it's really lightweight. Now time for my favorite part of my morning routine, my face. I get to clean my face. So I'm going to go in with their daily cleanser, which gently cleanses, hydrates, and removes excess oil and makeup without leaving your skin feeling dry or tight. And they weren't lying, it really does feel like, it just feels really lightweight. Now it's time to tone my face. This is my favorite product out of the whole set. It's their Balancing Mist Toner, which hydrates and refreshes skin. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera extract. This stuff is so lightweight. When I first sprayed it on, I was like, did anything even come out? Like, you really don't feel it. And last but not least, this is another thing I use like daily. I'm going to go in with their hydrating moisturizer. This is also infused with hyaluronic acid. It also has those antioxidant-rich oils that help lock in the moisture. And it's just nice. This is really smooth. It goes on and you mix in a little bit of serum and boom, you're ready to go. Now that's a clean face. Look at how nice and refreshed I look. I really love this. Thanks for watching.